Hello students, our today's topic is define number ranges to business partner and define groupings and assign number ranges. For that we can go by path SPRO, SAP Reference Implementation Guide, Cross Application Component, SAP Business Partner, Basic Settings, Number Ranges and Grouping, Define Number Ranges. And for assigning number ranges, we will go for define grouping and assign number ranges. SAP में देखते हैं हम डिफाइन कैसे करेंगे. SPRO, SAP Reference Implementation Guide, Cross Application Component, SAP Business Partner, Basic Settings, Number Ranges and Define Number Ranges. Click on Change Interval, click on plus, enter our number range for local vendor. We will enter number 500 to 151 and 500 to 159. Again click on plus button. (500, 151 to 500, 159). Press enter. Then click on again plus button. Now enter another one for foreign FT. Number range 81101 to 82100. Press enter and we will use 3T for one-time customer. Click on save button, then click on continue button. Come back. Now we will define groupings and assign number ranges. Click on a new entries. Create grouping which we want, that is TL VP. We will give a short name, local BP vendor. Description, local BP vendor dash TRE1. TF VP foreign BP vendor. Foreign BP vendor dash TRE1 and last TO VP one time vendor, and here enter one time vendor dash TRE1. And assign number range, that is LT, FT and 3T. Press enter and then click on save button. Click on create number ranges, enter your description. Define grouping and assign number ranges. Then click on save button, click on continue button.